welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing the KinGirls masks all the way from Italy. It just comes in a beautiful package like this. Here are the masks. The reason why they say who cares, and they explain it right here. They say we're so sensitive to what others may say about us that we forget that the only opinion that matters is our own. So Who Cares is dedicated to girls and women living in their own life. They want every woman to free themselves and others from judgment. Hence the branding, hence all that stuff. This one is all about glowing. It says glow it. This one's all for hydration, hydrate it. This one is for boosting. And here are all the different masks that they have, and all the ingredients in the masks are also all laid out clearly here. And then down here are the instructions. Clean your face, put it on your dry skin, wait 15 to 20 minutes, take it off. So there you have it. That's the KinGirls masks. So comment, let me know what you think about these masks. And for more product reviews, continue watching, and I'll see you in the next video.